Hey everyone, so this is question number 1 on the review. For this particular question, it's asking for the solution of the system of equations, and one of the lines is graphed and one of the lines is listed as a table. So we are going to put both of them into Desmos and see where they intersect. So I have a table for one line. I don't have a table for this line, so I'm going to create a table. Okay. So I need 2 points. I have a point here at 0, 6, and I need at least one more point. Here's a good one at 2, 0. Okay, this point was 0, 6. This point was 2, 0, and notice I just wrote them in a table right here. So now I'm going to put both tables in and graph those lines and see where they intersect. So open up your Desmos. Make a table. I'm going to do the graph one first. It was a very small table. 0, 6 was the y-intercept, and 2, 0 was the x-intercept. I'm going to type y1 tilde mx1 plus b. Okay, there's one of the lines. That's the line that you see on your graph. It should match. It should have a negative slope, an x-intercept of 2, and a y-intercept of 6. And you can see it right here. Now let's put in the table. Okay, so I'm going to go to here and add a table, a second table, and I'm going to type that one in. I'm typing my x's. Okay, and you can see that red line right there. And I'm going to type in its equation. Now, keeping in mind this table says x2 and y2. So y2 tilde mx2 plus b. And there's the second line. And where they intersect is the solution. So our solution to this system of equations is 1, 3. So let's write that down, 1, 3. I'm going to rewrite that so it looks a little bit better. 1, 3. That is the solution, where they intersect. So to recap what we did, we picked 2 points from the graph to make a table, and we put both tables into Desmos, which drew both lines, and we found where the 2 lines intersected, and that is the solution.